Good afternoon. This is Pseudonymous. We have taken control of this lecture. Students, let this be a reminder of how important cybersecurity is. We also want to remind you to pay attention to all these lectures, or we will never be back.
What is happening at the moment? So Juho, someone has captured our stream.
Yes, we seem to be under an attack.
Hi Jarno and the audience. This was a little topical prank from us.
Have a nice course.
Hey,
Sorry for the interruption.
Pseudonymous.
Timmy, you can take off the
Timmy.
mask now.
Hey, this was not planned. Hey, guys.
Timmy, you can take
I
off
know
the
that
mask now.
I have been reading maybe too much about the different activities by Anonymous in the war of Ukraine, but this was something new.
Timmy, you are muted.
Okay,
No.
sorry. We think this is topical right now, and we thought that this might be a good to this cyber lecture. Yes. Hopefully you'll like it.
Hey, this will be a YouTube hit.
Hope so.
yeah, we certainly hope we still have our jobs.
Yes. Okay, but hey, anyway, have a nice lecture and have a nice day and keep safe.
All right,
Yes.
thank you, Timmy.
All
How
right.
you think that I am able to continue after this?
I don't know. But
Pseudonymous
yes.
from Aalto University. How did you end up with this idea?
I'm
It was a team project.
I think I said to Juho that maybe we can have some kind of video prank that what is something about cybersecurity, and then we get this idea. Yeah. Okay, but hey,
Hey, thank you very much, guys.
you're welcome
Excellent.
and have a nice day. Okay.
You too. You too.
Thank you, Timmy.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
So
So
now
that
we
was-
have witnessed that it really can happen everything during this course.
Yes, and that is actually one of the reasons we do have a passcode on these meetings is to prevent Zoom bombing, and this is exactly what Timmy did, except with the passcode. Hello.
I have to say that I was a little bit well, not little bit. I was confused when I lost my screen, and then this video started, and there was this name Pseudonymous.
Can I please ask you?
Oh.
Do you hear me?